Green light. Red light. Masali ako. Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Alright, nandito si Eduardo. Ang pogi niya. Ano masasabi mo?
Pogi ako!
Pakilala mo yung kasama natin.
Ito yung pangalawang pogi.
Pangalan niya si Bihon.
Hibihon.
Bihon.
Bihon! Yeah.
Bihon and my rabbit.
Welcome sa Anime Cosplay Expo.
Ayan, dito sa SMS MOA. Let's go. Hector.
Hector from Coco. And si player 456. Buhay pa. Buhay pa.
Kalosan na mahiyain mananaya. Yeah. Nandito si, pangalan mo ay si
Medusa Rampadora.
Pakilala mo naman yung kasama ko.
Yes, kasama ko si Squid Game.
Si Bihon.
Si Bihon.
Pansit Bihon. Pansit Bihon.
Pansit Bihon.
Alright, meron ako ditong friend, founder ng Cosplay Official. Pati mo naman ako, let's go!
Happy birthday, Magic Clown!
Pakilala mo naman yung kasama mo. Yung kasama mo.
Jack, cosplaying Silver Surfer.
Yan, bati mo naman ako, ma'am.
Hi!
Bati mo ko, bati mo
Happy
ko.
birthday, Kuya Glenn!
Sponsored by CCO! Let's go! We are at SM MOA. Alright, Mr. Gihon, are you ready to play red light, green light, green light, red light, green light, red light? Masali ako. Green light, red light, green light. Yan, green light. Kuhay ka sa pants. Kuhay ka dun. Kuhay ka sa pants. Kuhay ka. Ay, sa pants ko. Ang dami niyang pants, guys. Dumano ka lang. Birthday natin eh. Yan. Ano masasabi mo sa birthday natin?
Oh, ito. Magandang birthday ito.
Masaya ba?
Oh,
Kahit dito. Kahit wala tayong masyadong handa.
oh.
Kasi ha, 456. Saka Magic Land Duarte. Yan. Punta kayo dito sa MOA. At marami mga bata. Let's go. Oh, green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Look at the camera there.
Say hi.
Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. 456. 456. You say happy birthday, Duarte.
Happy birthday, Dwarpy!
Madam, you say Korean. Ha, ano? Ano sa'yo? Sabihin niya.
Kanya sa'yo.
Lakas siya, ano?
Ano?
Ano sa'yo?
Ayoko na po.
Sabi mo, ano sa kanya? Ano sa kanya?
Ano sa kanya?
Oh, yun. Ano sa'yo?
Sa'yo, ano sa'yo?
Ano sa kanya?
Ano sa kanya?
Yun. Tama, Korean, di ba? Korean, hi. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Alright, Gion, where are we? We are at the
Honor of Kings.
Honor of Kings. At the back of your, what's that? It's a
Dinosaur. Triceratops.
And how about that one? It's a raptor yata yun. It's a raptor.
It's a raptor.
Where are we? We're at the
We're at the IMAX here at SMX MOA. Fantastic Four. Soon to be showing here at IMAX.
Okay, one by one. Introduce
Oh yeah, this one's Mr. Fantastic.
Mr.
Mr. Fantastic.
The next one.
This one is the Thing.
That one.
This one's the Silver Surfer.
Other side.
This one's the Invisible Girl.
Invisible Girl.
This is the Flaming No. The Human Torch.
The Human Torch. Yeah. Wow, he's playing red light, green light. You say red light.
Red light.
Green light. One more. Red light.
Green light.
Ay.
You have friends. Hi, say hi.
Ay.
You say hi to Gihon.
Ay, yun.
You say, ano sa'yo?
Annyeong sayo.
Ano sa kanya? Ay, Pilipino. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday!
One more, go!
Happy birthday to him and to you.
Gihon.
Happy birthday, Gion.
Thank you.
Say happy birthday to Arby.
Happy birthday, Corby.
Go! Alright, once again, we are here at the ACX Samoa. We're gonna say happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday. Go!
Birthday to me, Giho. 456.
Yeah!
Happy birthday to me, Dwarpy.
Hello, I'm Mayumi Shirai and I'm cosplaying Ichika Hoshino from Quartet Sekai, and I wanted to wish Magic Glen a happy birthday, and more birthdays to come and cake to slice. Happy birthday!
Alright guys, that's it. Nag-enjoy kami dito sa aming birthday party gala for today. Ayan. Say bye-bye na.
It's a wrap. Bye-bye.
It's a wrap. Bye-bye. See you on my next vlog. Peace out.